Rickety Bones, I'll tell you what, man, that was a good demo, but unfortunately the signal strength out here is not so great right about now. Mother Nature's kind of sort of, I guess, being a bit on the stingy side, but we got the gist of the drift, man. There's a few other stations out there with a little bit of, a little bit of that tinny little wimpy audio out there, and then you can hear the contrast between your audio, so kind of cool. Anyway, I got the YouTube thing rolling again real quick. I'll leave it rolling for a little while if you want to get out there and have a little bit of fun. But I'm also going to post that previous YouTube up. That was Mandy Mouth Maul out there cruising this big old station out here on the Central Coast of California. Rickety Bones, Motor Mouth Maul, Central Coast of Cali, get down. I think you just got off the mall, Rickety Bones. I think you just got off the mall, but I couldn't tell for sure. You say you could realize that clunk, though. You knew who it was, right, when you heard that clunk. You got that right. That was definitely this station. But that was Mandy Mouth Maul. That was a whole different person. She was 5 years old. She still is 5 years old. Getting older by the minute. Anyway, yeah, we were just letting her talk on this big old station to see what kind of stuff would happen out here in the world of sound. Hey, Rickety Bones, hang on just a second there. Momentarily, Monkey Radio out there from the northwest corner came rolling up in here like he owned a little bit of Santa Maria, California. So hello to you, Monkey Radio. But I'll tell you what, the conditions are kind of weird, dipping and dabbing left and right, east to west, north and south, all over the place, man. So let me ease back out of here and see what Mother Nature blows my way. Radio station Motor Mouth Maul, the voice of the Central Coast of California. Got down one more time. Monkey Radio, that vertical's working for you, man. We're trying to get Mandy back in here. She's out in the front of the building out here, and we're trying to get her back in here to the microphone. So hang on just a second, man. Well, hopefully she might have running. She ran across over to the doggone runway. She's watching airplanes on the runway. I tell you what, she's got a whole lot of energy out there. That's for doggone sure. Monkey Radio, Motor Mouth Maul. Got down. And I hear you out there too, Lucky Star. I think I hear you out there making, oh, I hear Mandy Mouth Maul on her way. Hang on a second. Hello out there, Monkey Radio.
Hello out there, Monkey Radio. Happy 4th of July.
Ball smoke. You got all the duck bucking conditions, 929.
What? What? You gotta get off that old antique radio and get a piece of plastic.
929, you have a good and safe 4th of July evening, no doubt about it. Keep doing what you're doing. Sound real good up here in the Evergreen, 456, and I'm clear. I don't look up. Then I gotta go recalibrate that camera.
Hey, Monkey Radio, you gotta get your mind up to 456 here.
Get that right. Twitch. Hello, Captain. Monkey Radio, Seattle.
Hey, Monkey Radio, get your mind off boat, Captain, man. Say hello to Motormouth Maul one time before I shut this YouTube video down. Monkey Radio, Motormouth Maul, the voice of the Central Coast of California, got down.